guys, Namaste, this is Manika. Welcome to my yoga channel. Today I want to show you some asanas for your belly fat. Often we blame our genes, but most of the cases is not true. You know why this is happening? Because we follow the same lifestyle. So change your lifestyle. Eat fresh and self-made food. I'll give you some tips. In info box you can read them. And second important thing is physical activities. And in physical activities I always prefer yoga. You know why yoga? Because in yoga you will do asanas with breathing, and breathing increase your vital energy, increase your prana in your body. In this series, all asanas are amazing asanas. Some asanas are pure anti-aging asanas, may be difficult in starting, but after 3 or 4 weeks you will realize really they are very effective. They reduce your belly fat, tone your whole body, and at the same time gives glow to your skin, reduce your wrinkles, reduce your stress level, increase your willpower, makes you beautiful and attractive. So let's start.
In your comfortable position, your back, neck and head should be straight. Now we'll do Surya Mudra. Take your both hands, fold your ring finger, place the end of your thumb. Now you press your ring finger from your thumb. It gives the energy to your whole body. Now we'll do Kapalbhati. You inhale into your stomach. You exhale completely. Your stomach goes towards the spine. Now you pull your pelvic organs up and you exhale forcefully. You inhale passively, but you exhale forcefully and actively. Try to concentrate on your exhaling. Don't do fast. If you have a heart problem or you have a high blood pressure, feel that you exhale your all negative and bad energies. In starting you can do for 3 minutes, afterward you can increase your time. It reduces your all belly fat, abdominal fat. It helps in weight loss. It gives glow to your skin. It regenerates your each and every cell. It removes all toxins from your body. It activates your lung and your reproductive functions. It wake up and activate your all energy chakras, increase your stamina, cure your cancer. If you feel dizzy, then you don't need to worry. It's very normal in starting because you are not habitual to this pranayam. So just take a little break. You inhale into your stomach and exhale completely and starts again. I always prefer, before you start your yoga practice, start from Kapalbhati, because Kapalbhati removes your all toxins and bad energies from your body. Afterwards your body is empty and ready to absorb positive energies. It gives more effect. And Surya Mudra, it's give you strength and energy to your whole body. It helps to reduce your weight loss, helps to reduce the bad cholesterol from your body, helps in diabetes, gives strength to your liver. Just focus on your breathing. You exhale fast and forcefully. Now you exhale 3 times forcefully and feel that you exhale your all bad negative energies. Now inhale into your stomach, hold your breath and exhale slowly. Now you do Pran Sanchar Pranayam. You inhale your prana into your body. Try to inhale slowly and you try to hold your breath and exhale at the same time how much time you need to inhale. Do it 4 to 5 times and feel that you are inhaling positive energies. Think positive. Enjoy this breathing. Now we'll do Chakki Chalan. We warm up our body for the asanas. Your back should be straight. Inhale, your arms come forward. Exhale, grabs your hands. Now inhale, rotate to the right. When you go back, you inhale. You tighten your core muscles and come forward, exhale. Just concentrate on your breathing. When you go backward, you inhale. When you come forward, you exhale. Try to make a big rounds and feel that you need a lot of energy to rotate your upper body. You feel the strength in your arms. feel that you are doing very hard work. It warms up your body, gives the energy to your whole body, activate your blood circulation around the body. At the same time, it reduces your belly fat, abdominal fat, and give the strength to your abdominal organs. It's very good in weight loss. Don't do fast, do slowly and with strength. It activates your lymph glands, improve your digestive system. Focus on your movements. Now you change the direction. When you go back, you inhale. When you come forward, you exhale. Some people think when they do fast, then they burn more calories, but it's not true. If you do fast, you harm your organs. If you do slowly, you get more benefits, slowly and with your full strength. Just feel that you need a lot of energy to rotate your arms. It gives the strength and tone your arms. It's very good for weight loss. Enjoy the movements, smile on your face, and focus on your breathing. Now, last 2 rounds. Now you stand up. Your body is warm. Now you are ready for the asanas. Open your legs. Distance in between your legs 3 to 4 feet. Your hands come to the front of your heart. Pranam Mudra. Inhale. Lift your both arms up. Think positive. Stretch your upper body. Exhale. You bend forward from your hip joint towards your left foot. Try to touch your left foot from your right hand. Your left hand go up. You look up. Your stomach goes towards the spine. Try to hold your breath. If you can't, continue breathing. Inhale. Come back. Exhale. You bend forward towards your right foot. Go more deeper if possible. Parivrita Trikonasana. It activates your Swadhisthana chakra. Increase your metabolism. Come back. Inhale. Exhale. Your hands come down to the front of your heart. Inhale. Repeat one more time. Lift your both arms up. Exhale. You bend forward towards your left foot. This time go more deeper. It reduces your belly fat. Your stomach goes towards the spine. Concentrate on your movements. Inhale. Come back. Exhale. Bend forward towards your right foot. Enjoy the movements. You look up. Your stomach goes towards the spine. It activates your pancreas. Come back. Inhale. Exhale. Relax. Your hands come to the front of your heart. Inhale. Lift your both arms up. Think positive. Smile on your face. Exhale. Fold your left knee. Place your right hand on the floor near your right foot. Your left hand go up. You look up. Your stomach goes towards the spine. Your left leg should be straight. You look up. Try to hold your breath. If you can't, just continue breathing. Inhale. Come back. Exhale. Relax your hand. Your hand come to the front of your heart. Inhale. Lift your both arms up. Think positive. Exhale. Bend your left knee. Now you place your left hand on the floor near your left foot. You look up. Your stomach goes towards the spine. It reduces your side belly fat. Parivrita Parashvakona. You look up. Smile on your face. Enjoy the posture. Inhale. Come back. Exhale. Relax your arms. Come to the front of your heart. Inhale. Lift your both arms up. Now you repeat. Exhale, bend your right knee and place your right hand on the floor near your right foot. You look up. It reduces your belly fat, activates your metabolism. Inhale, come back. Exhale. Your hands come to the front of your heart. One more last time. Inhale, your arms go up. Exhale, bend your left knee and place your left hand near to your left foot. You look up. Enjoy this asana. It's very good. Feel that you have a lot of energy in your whole body. Inhale, come back. Exhale, relax your arm. Now you lay down on your back. If you have back pain, take some blanket, make a roll and place it under your back. Now we will do Pavan Muktasana. It's very good for your belly fat. Inhale, lift your right leg up, fold your right leg, hold your right leg. Exhale, your head come up. Try to touch your nose from your knee. Your stomach goes towards the spine. Hold here. If you can't, then come back. Inhale, your head come down. Exhale, your leg comes down. Inhale, lift your left leg up. Fold your left leg. Hold your left leg. Exhale, your head comes up. Stay here. Release your extra weight from your body. Inhale, your head come down. Exhale. Now your legs come down. Release. Now repeat one more time. Inhale, lift your right leg up. Fold your leg. Exhale, your head comes up. It's good for Vata people. Reduce your belly fat. Activate your Swadhisthana chakra. Inhale, your head come down. Exhale, release your right leg. Inhale, lift your left leg up. Hold your leg. Exhale, your head comes up. Try to touch your nose from your knee. Your stomach goes towards the spine. Hold here. Inhale, your head come down. Exhale, your legs come down. Now inhale, lift your both legs up. Fold your both legs. Exhale, your head comes. Your upper body come up. Your nose in between your knees. Your stomach goes towards the spine. Hold your breath. Inhale, your upper body come to the floor. Exhale, your legs come to the floor. Repeat one more time. Inhale, lift your both legs up. Fold your legs. Hold your legs. Exhale, your upper body comes up. It's very good for your abdominal fat. Inhale, your upper body come back. Exhale, your legs come on the floor. Take a blanket or towel under your shoulder neck area because we'll do halasana and your whole body weight comes to your shoulder. Sometimes it hurts under your shoulder neck area. This is pure anti-aging asana. Inhale, lift your both legs up. Support your back from your hands. While exhaling, your legs go down. Try to touch your feet to the floor. Stay here. If you feel here comfortable, then stay there. You go down as your comfort. You hold your hands on your back, just your hands together, or you rest your arms on the floor. It depends how you feel comfortable. Now stay here. Continue breathing. If you think this is too difficult, just count till 10 or 15. It's reduce your body weight. It gives glow to your skin. It's pure anti-aging asana. Inhale, come back and exhale. Your legs rest on the floor. Inhale and exhale. We will repeat 2 more times. Inhale, lift your both legs up and exhale. Go. Your feet goes towards the floor. Don't think that you can't do this asana in your life. It's just first time and second time is really difficult in starting. But afterwards, if you practice daily after 1 week or 2 weeks, you can also do like this. It regulates your thyroid glands. You don't believe how good this asana is. This is one of my favorite asana. It tones your whole body, tone your arm, your shoulder, your stomach, your legs. Come back. Inhale and exhale. It also regulates your blood in your brain. Inhale. Do one more last time. Do carefully. Don't hurt your body. But please try many times because the effect of this asana is too good. If you do 1 month, then afterwards you tell me the effects. Really, it's wonderful asana. Stay here. Maybe in starting, don't stay long, just stay for a few seconds and you come back. Count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It supports, it helps. And only think the benefits of this asana. Then you are motivated to do this asana. Inhale, come back, and exhale. Slowly your legs come to the floor. Now you inhale and exhale, relax. Now slowly you sit down. We'll do Paschimottanasana. This is pure anti-aging asana like a halasana. Smile on your face, lift your both arms up, stretch your upper body up. Now you exhale and you bend forward from your hip joint. Now you push your hips back. If you can't move, just stay there but don't bend your back. Now you try to touch your nose to your knees. If you can't go more down, just stay there and focus on your breathing, and every exhale try to go more down. This is reduce your whole body weight and belly fat, gives glow to your skin. Inhale, come back and exhale. Reduce your wrinkles, smile on your face. Repeat 2 more times. Inhale, lift your both arms up, stretch your upper body, push your hips back and try to bend forward. Exhale, hold your feet. Now try to come more down. Don't hurt your body. Maybe it's help if you count till 10 or 15. You can stay here and starting 10 to 15 seconds. You can also stay here till 30 seconds. Breathe. Continue breathing. Only think this is anti-aging asana and you are motivated to do it. Inhale, come back. Exhale, your hands come down. Smile on your face. We will repeat 1 more time. Inhale, lift your both arms up. Exhale, you bend forward. Stay here. Push your hips back. Now inhale. While exhaling, go more forward and try to touch your nose to your knees. Continue breathing and just count from 10 to 15. In starting you can do 15 seconds or 10 seconds. Afterwards you can do 30 seconds. You don't realize you release your weight like this, but you have to take care of that also. Inhale, come back, exhale, relax, your hands come down. Now you will do Sarpasana. You lay down on your stomach. Your hands go back. Hold your both hands. Now you inhale. Tighten your hips and thigh muscles. Lift your upper body up. You lift your legs up. This is also very wonderful asana. You open your chest, open your heart, and you tone your whole body. Hold the position. It reduces your belly fat and helps in weight loss. Come back, relax, inhale and exhale. Now repeat 2 more times. Inhale, lift your upper body up, stretch your arms. It's reduce your back pain. Lift your both legs up. Now hold here. Feel that you have power in your whole body. Relax, exhale. Inhale. We'll do 1 more last time. Lift your upper body, stretch your both arms, lift your both legs. Now you do movements right to left. It reduces your belly fat, but do carefully, don't hurt your body. Sometimes snakes digest their food like this. It's very good for digestion. Now stop, exhale, come back and relax. Now inhale, get up, make a table position. Your hand, arm and shoulder in one line, knees, thighs and hip in one line. Smile on your face. We'll do Marjari Asana. Inhale, lift your right leg up. Your head go up. Don't hurt your body. You do how much your body allows. Stay here. Exhale. Now bring your knees forward. Try to touch your forehead to your knees. Stay here. Your stomach goes towards the spine. Hold the position. Inhale. Repeat 2 more times. Your leg go up, head go up. It activates your Swadhisthana chakra. Very helpful in weight loss. Tone your tummy, tone your buttocks. Exhale. Your knees come forward. Stay. Your stomach goes towards the spine. Every time when you exhale, your stomach goes towards the spine. Inhale. Repeat one more last time. You can repeat this 5 to 10 times. Exhale. Your knee come forward. It improves your blood circulation in your legs, abdominal area. Now release. Inhale. Your heads go up. Your spine go down. Your buttocks go up. Now exhale. Do like a cat. Your head go down and your spine goes up. Now inhale. Lift your left leg up. Stay here. Go more if your body allows. Exhale. Bring your knees forward and try to touch your forehead to your knees. It reduces your belly fat. Activate your Swadhisthana chakra. Improve your digestion. Inhale. Do 2 more times. Exhale. Now your knees come forward towards your forehead. It's very good for Vata people. Inhale. Your left leg go up. Stay here. It increases the flexibility in your spine. Exhale. Your knees come forward towards your head. Now place your leg on the floor. Inhale. Your head go up. Exhale. Your head go down. Spine go up. Now you sit. Inhale and exhale. Head touch to the floor. Now we'll do Balasana. Just relax here. Inhale, come up. Your hands go up. Exhale. Your hands come to the front of your heart. Namaste. Have a nice day.